When it comes to pregnancy, there are so many things to think about and consider. From prenatal vitamins to birthing plans, the list can seem endless. But one aspect of pregnancy that is often overlooked is how to make it more eco-friendly. There are actually many ways that expecting mothers can reduce their carbon footprint and make more sustainable choices throughout their pregnancy journey. One of the first things to consider is the products you use. From skincare to household cleaners, there are many toxic chemicals that can be harmful to both you and your baby. Opting for natural and organic products can not only be better for your health, but also for the environment. Look for products that are free from harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. There are many eco-friendly brands out there that offer safe and sustainable options for expecting mothers. Another important aspect of an eco-friendly pregnancy is the clothing you wear. Fast fashion is a major contributor to pollution and waste, so it's important to choose sustainable and ethical clothing options. Look for brands that use organic materials, recycled fabrics, and fair labor practices. Investing in quality pieces that will last throughout your pregnancy and beyond can also help reduce your environmental impact. When it comes to preparing for your baby's arrival, there are many ways to make more sustainable choices. From nursery decor to baby gear, there are eco-friendly options available for every aspect of parenthood. Consider choosing secondhand items or borrowing from friends and family to reduce waste and save money. When it comes to feeding your baby, breastfeeding is the most eco-friendly option. Not only is breast milk the most nutritious choice for your baby, but it also eliminates the need for formula packaging and production. If breastfeeding is not an option for you, there are many eco-friendly formula options available that are made with organic ingredients and sustainable practices. As your baby grows, there are many ways to continue living a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Cloth diapering is a great way to reduce waste and save money in the long run. There are many modern cloth diaper options available that are easy to use and can be washed and reused for years. When it comes to baby food, making your own at home is a great way to reduce packaging waste and ensure that your baby is getting the freshest and healthiest ingredients. Investing in a high-quality blender or food processor can make the process quick and easy. As your child grows, teaching them about the importance of sustainability and caring for the environment is crucial. Encourage them to recycle, compost, and reduce waste in their daily lives. Take them on nature walks and teach them about the importance of protecting our planet for future generations. Overall, living an eco-friendly lifestyle during pregnancy and parenthood is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for your health and the health of your baby. Making small changes and conscious choices can have a big impact on the world around us. So whether you're expecting your first child or adding to your family, consider incorporating some of these eco-friendly tips into your journey. Your baby and the planet will thank you.